everyone, welcome to another collaboration! Yay! Organised by Claire's Crafty Corner. Oh my god! And I'm going to be trying to make this using this squidgy thing. Whoa! Wrapping it around this and put some lights in it. Yay! The first collaboration of the year. Oh my god! I'm so excited. And it's all thanks to Claire's Crafty Corner. Thank you very much, Claire. Together with loads of other creative souls. The link to the playlist is going to be in the description. So please make sure you check all of them. All of them. Because there's going to be some amazing and inspirational things happening. So make sure you do that. But in this video, I'm going to try to make like a gnome lamp. Because by now you should know that I am obsessed with gnomes. So I think this year there's going to be more coming. But hey ho. But I thought, why not challenge myself? And I'm going to be using this bottle as my base because I'm going to do like some sort of Valentine lamp. And I'm going to put these fairy lights inside, which they've got like a USB. But what I need to try to do is put the lights in, but leave the cable on the side so can I plug it in and wrap it all inside the design. Will I make it? I don't know. It's challenging to me. We'll be using foam clay. This thing is so squidgy, you will not even believe it. Oh my god, look at this. Woo! Oh, this is amazing. It's so... Oh, look at this. Oh, it's so squidgy. It's unbelievable. I've never used it to do something this big. The only time I've used it, it was for Easter last year. Look, I made a little chuck. Oh, you're just adorable. And it worked. And it's just so, it's hard now. And I think it gets harder as the time goes along. But, I killed the chuck. It was pretty easy to use it and it looks quite smooth. But to use it for a bigger project, I don't know. So let's see. I need to stop faffing about and use this squidgy stuff. Let's get on with it. doesn't smell anymore. Ah, oh my God, it's very squidgy. It's been drying for over 24 hours now. And I have to say, although I absolutely love this clay, it's not easy to use it because you can't smooth it as well as you can with the air drying clay. So it's all a little bit rough and ready. See if you can see it. I think I'm quite happy with the result. What do you think? And also my husband did challenge myself to make sure that the heart at the end of the hat was lit up. But I did it. I did it. Oh my God, I'm so happy. But now what I've got to do is, I've been trying to think, in hindsight, what I should have done, I should have covered this bit of the bottle before I wrapped it with the clay. But impatient me didn't think about that. So now I just find myself, it's like, I've been thinking about how am I going to cover it? What am I going to do? I was thinking about tissue paper, but then you can see, you can see like where it overlaps. And I was like, oh, maybe not. But I had a light bulb moment. I have loads of Sweeties wrappers. And these are all Quality Street wrappers. I'm not ashamed of it at all. So I've got all these beautiful colours. I collected them ages ago for a photography project. But obviously I didn't need all of them, or I can reuse them. So I'm thinking about using this yellowy colour and this pink. And I'm going to shovel them. I'm not going to glue them. I'm not going to do anything. But literally, I'm just going to shovel them inside. So let's see. Let's have a look. So I'm going to get this and just plonk it like that. Squidge it in, making sure that it's going to covers all of it. God, well, look at that. Would you look at that? Tuck it in good and proper. Let's plug it in. You ready for this? Oh my God, I think it works. Oh, what do you reckon? I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. So I'm going to leave it. What do you think? Oh my God. I'm very happy. And at the moment, as I said, it's still very squidgy. Very, very squidgy after over 24 hours. And as I said, probably not my favorite material to do something like this. It's too big. And although it's very cool and just lovely, but yeah, it was tricky to work with. But oh my God, I am in love. It's so very cool. Let me know if you have used it and what projects you did with using this clay. But oh my God, this is exciting. Oh, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications on when the next video is out. Because I tell you what, but I think I'm going to be using more of this clay. But also, I'll let you into a secret. I already have a project for the clay with lights and snow and all sorts of things going on. You have to wait because it's going to take me quite some time to do it. But thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.